Alright, good morning. For the algebra class, I just wanted to cover some of these problems that you might be stuck on. So we're going to look at adding and subtracting polynomials. This first one is 8 minus 3n squared minus 8n plus 1. And for this problem, we literally just want to add the like terms together and then keep the ones that are unlike separated. So we could distribute the negative sign, which is what we're going to do in essence. So I've got 8 minus 3n squared minus 8n, and then distribute the minus, so minus 1. So notice 8 here and 1 here are like terms. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So I'm going to get 7 there. And then minus 3n squared. Well, n squared and n are not like. So I have minus 3n squared and then minus 8n. Because again, I got to distribute this minus sign to both terms. So minus 8n. And I could leave the answer there, but I believe it would be nice to put it in descending order. It's what we normally do. So we want the n squared term first, then the n, and then the number. So we're going to rewrite it one more time. Negative 3n squared minus 8n plus 7. And then that would be our answer. And we're done there. And that's all you have to do there. Alright, next problem is multiplying polynomials. And in your worksheet, you may have seen this problem. We've got 4x minus 6 times x plus 3. So I just want to distribute, but I need to distribute the 4x to both the x and the 3 in the second parentheses. And I also want to distribute the negative 6 into the x and the 3 in the second parentheses. So if you remember FOIL, we're going to use the FOIL method. So that's first, outside, inside, last. This method of multiplying usually works pretty well with this sort of problem where we have two binomials that we're multiplying together. So 4x times x, that's the first two terms. So 4x times x is 4x squared. And then we've got outside, the outside terms. The outside terms are 4x and 3. 4x times 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 12 times x, so 12x. So we're going to have 4x squared plus 12x. And then the inside terms, negative 6 times x minus 6x. And then the last terms, the L in FOIL is last, so that's the negative 6 times 3. Negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. And we're almost done. Notice the two middle terms are like terms, so we can actually add them together. Positive 12x minus 6x. So 12x minus 6x is just 6x. So the middle terms become 6x. Our first term is 4x squared, so we're going to bring that down. Plus 6x, and then the minus 18 is our last term. And we're going to bring that down, and that is our answer. And we are done. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will try to help you out. All right, thank you.